What's up, guys? Welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're going to be fixing a problem we tried to fix but didn't work. It's a common issue on the 350Zs. The door handles break and you can't get into the car, and you got to either unlock it or go through the passenger side to get into the car. And if your battery dies, then you're just out of luck. So what we're going to do today is, I did try to fix this previously with an aftermarket door handle. It doesn't fit very well. I'll flip the camera around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Ended up buying OEM one so that we can replace it. So we're going to go through the steps on how to do that. Alright guys, so this is the aftermarket one that we bought. As you can see, the fitment around where it comes to the body of the car is not great. We did get this off of Amazon. It was a quick, cheap way to put a door lock on, a door handle with a lock. The fitment is not good. It's also very stiff for it to pop open. As you can see, there's like a big gap which shouldn't be there. I mean, it was $20, but you get what you pay for. So we're gonna take this off and put the OEM, which I have here, that we got from Nissan. So hopefully that will be a lot better fitting. To get to this, we have two little holes here, little rubber grommets that you can take off and get to the bolts. Be careful with them because they can fall into the door. So that's why I bought this set here that has magnetic sockets, so that we hopefully do not drop the bolts into the door, because that would create a whole new issue that we have to deal with. So let's get these out. I mean, this you should be able to just pop out with your finger, but better to get like a little.
Do you need a cat claw?
Yeah. Like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. It's coming. It's coming. There we go. There's one. You can see in there. There's the nuts. I believe it's a 10 millimeter. Double check. Yep, 10 millimeter. So let's get that out, and we'll come back to it. All right, guys, we got the new door handle in, and you can see here the gapping is way better. It fits the contour of the door a lot better. On the top there, you can see the rubber. There we go. All of that squeezed in really nicely. Also, definitely the other one, when you open the door, it would pop like it had a lot of pressure. This one opens up really nicely. So this is the old one. You have to take out a 10 millimeter bolt here that holds the key cylinder in. There is the, so it literally goes in like this. This is how it looks from the inside, like if it's in the car. There's two pins. The top pin here that you have to flip this up, unclip it, push the pin in, flip it back down, clip that one, and then the same thing on the lock cylinder. There's one on that one too. But yeah, honestly, I would say don't buy the Amazon one. It does look pretty close, but I think this is just like, it's not shaped properly. The shape is off, like it doesn't have enough of a curve. I don't know, but whatever it is, this one didn't fit that great.
It has an S curve to it.
Yeah.
The other one does not have that S curve as much.
So yeah, if anything, I would tell you guys, get the OEM one if you're looking to have a really good fitment. These are good in a pinch. I mean, they got there fast. It was only like $30, I think I paid for this one. I mean, the OEM one is a lot more expensive, but it does fit a lot better and a lot less issues. Also, the color may be slightly off. If you look here, this one looks, the stock one has a little bit more of a darker tone to it than this one. So the door handle might look a little different, a little off with the color, but that's it. Quick video, not crazy in depth. More on the part themselves than doing the install. I really need to compound and detail the car. It's been sitting for a long time, a lot of dust. Trying to get it back into fighting shape. So stay tuned for a lot more videos on the 350Z.